Welcome. In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's obviously open up settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and you should see Reset options. And in here you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now once you tap on it, it will bring up this little window right here, or whole page I guess, telling you that basically performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So in other words, if there is anything that you would like to keep on your device, back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already backed up your device or you simply might not want to, click on Reset Phone, erase everything, and the process will begin. Now this will take about 1 to 5 minutes, and once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And there we go, as you can see now the process is finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.